Welcome to Venture Forward. In this episode, my 1991 Land Rover Defender 110 gets another incremental upgrade. Needless to say, it's time to retire that old battery and put in something new. Put in something better. So a few months ago, I was watching Tim and Kelsey on YouTube, Dirt Sunrise. They put a Lithium Ion Starter battery by Antigravity Batteries in their Toyota Land Cruiser, and I thought, alright, the Defender's going to need a battery soon, I should put a pin in that, and here we are. So all credit for this goes to Tim and Kelsey. Thank you guys. They are Antigravity affiliates, so I will put their affiliate link in the description for this video if you're interested in the battery. And full disclosure, I did pay for my Antigravity battery, but I was in touch with them. I told them that I wanted to feature it in a video, and they were kind enough to offer a discount. Now let's talk about the merits of the Antigravity Lithium Ion Starter battery. Why did I go that route? Number one, 2,000 cranking amps. That's a lot. That's more than this needs, but overkill is cool. And number two, with all that power, it's also smaller and lighter. It's roughly 40 pounds lighter than the outgoing battery, and you can really feel it. Number three, the longevity of the battery is supposed to be 7 to 9 years. We'll see. That's a type of thing where I'm just going to have to try it to find out, but that's pretty good, and that also helps justify the price. And number four, this is really cool, this is where I geek out. When the battery detects that the voltage is getting low, it disconnects the power at the posts, which stops the drain and keeps enough power in the battery for you to reconnect and restart your vehicle without a jump start. They market it as restart technology, and there's a button on top of the battery, and they also give you a couple of key fobs that have a single button on it. So when you come out in the morning and your vehicle is dead, because you left a dome light on or whatever, you press this magic button, which is the same as hooking up jumper cables, and then start your vehicle and off you go. Now I should also note that this is a starter battery. For an overlanding application where you're drawing power through the night with the vehicle off, you are going to want a deep cycle style battery. I also bought the Antigravity Batteries lithium battery tracker, which is a small accessory. I think it costs around 30 bucks, and it connects to the battery terminals and allows you to monitor the condition of the battery and your charging system on your smartphone through an app. We have ignition. Upgrades don't get any easier than this. Just pull the old battery out, put the new battery in, and off you go. I did, however, take some time to clean up the corroded mess in the battery tray left by the old battery. At first I hit it with a Scotch-Brite pad, then I brought in the dustpan and brush and the vacuum, and the corrosion wasn't coming off. So I turned to the internet and found that you can clean battery corrosion using water and baking soda. I peppered the compartment with baking soda, then poured water on it, and immediately it started bubbling and fizzing. It simmered down in a moment, and then once I got the water out of there, I was able to wipe up the mess very easily. Alright, so that is done. Now I want to test the battery's restart technology, and I have to figure out this smartphone app. The battery is an H7 Group 94R, and it retails between $950 and $1350 US as of February of 2024. I started this time lapse at around 5 p.m., and if I'm reading my camera timer right, it took 7 hours for the voltage to get low enough to shut off the battery and cut the power to the headlights. That's pretty good. Well, I accidentally left the Land Rover's lights on all night last night. If this works, I should be able to hit this button on this key fob and it'll come back to life. Let's give it a try. Here goes nothing. Uh-oh. It seems like after you do get it started, you have to rev it up and run it for a minute, or else the battery will turn it off again. Which makes sense. The app says we're charging. It says that the battery is at 1% and voltage is currently 12.99. 2%, so it's going up really fast. I better let that charge, so after this I'll probably go for a drive or something. But for now, I'm really happy with how it came out, and it works great. Links to the battery and to my website in the description for this video. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next week.